In this video, I will help you find the best Apple headphones for running in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Beats Fit Pro, best for running. When it comes to running headphones, the Beats Fit Pro stands out as the top choice for runners seeking a blend of comfort, stability, and exceptional sound quality. These buds are a perfect amalgamation of what I love about AirPods 3 and Beats Studio Buds. With an ear wing that keeps them securely in place, they stay put even during intense workouts. The tactile buttons make controlling music and features a breeze, a light press to play/pause, 2 presses to skip, and more. The spatial audio feature is a game changer, providing an immersive experience where sound adjusts as you move your head. The sound quality is impressive, delivering clear and rich audio for an enjoyable run. Moreover, the Beats Fit Pro's design ensures they stay comfortable even during longer runs, with no discomfort or slippage. The secure fit allows me to focus on my run without readjusting the earbuds constantly. Overall, these headphones offer a fantastic balance of performance, comfort, and stability, making them my go-to choice for running. At number 4, we have Open Run Pro, best for open ears. For those seeking a unique and safe running experience, the Open Run Pro headphones offer a revolutionary solution with their open ear design. These headphones by Shokz utilize bone conduction technology, allowing sound to travel through your cheekbones while keeping your ears open to potential hazards. The Open Run Pro delivers richer sound with improved bass compared to earlier models, striking a balance between audio quality and safety. With an extended battery life of 10 hours and a quick charge feature providing 1.5 hours of playback after just 5 minutes of charging, these headphones are reliable for long runs. The Open Run Pro comes in 2 sizes, with the mini version offering a shorter band for a more secure fit. Running with these headphones provides a unique experience, allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings while still enjoying your favorite tunes. If safety and comfort are paramount during your runs, the Open Run Pro headphones could be the perfect choice for you. At number 3, we have AirPods 2nd Generation, best for daily workouts. If you're looking for headphones that excel in daily workouts, the AirPods 2nd Generation from Apple offer remarkable sound quality and useful features to enhance your exercise routine. These AirPods deliver clear and loud sound with noticeably deeper bass, thanks to the H2 chip and amplifier. One standout feature is the customizable spatial audio, which adjusts the sound based on how you naturally hear, providing an immersive listening experience. The transparency mode works well, reducing external noise interference, making them ideal for running. With the addition of volume control on the stem, adjusting your music on the go is effortless. The AirPods 2nd Generation are comfortable to wear, and their design ensures they stay in place during your workouts. Their sleek and minimalist look adds to their appeal, making them a stylish accessory for your daily exercise sessions. At number 2, we have Elite 8 Active, best for durability. The Elite 8 Active earbuds by Jabra boast exceptional durability, making them a reliable choice for your active lifestyle. These earbuds passed 9 durability tests meeting U.S. military standards, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of your workouts. They can even be submerged under up to 5 feet of water, showing their resilience. The Shake Grip technology keeps them securely in your ears no matter how intense your sweat sessions get, without the need for additional hooks or wings. With 6 microphones powering features like active noise cancellation and transparency, these earbuds deliver a crisp audio experience. The standout feature, Dolby Audio, coupled with spatial and 6mm speakers, creates a rich and nuanced sound profile, akin to having a mini music hall by each ear. Running with these earbuds feels like a whole new auditory experience, immersing you in your favorite tunes while providing the durability you need to keep pushing forward. At number 1, we have Elite 4 Active, best for running only. Let's now explore the Elite 4 Active, best for running only, a set of running earbuds that offer exceptional features tailored specifically for your running needs. These earbuds, priced at just $120, pack a punch with active noise cancellation, ambient noise pass-through, and customizable EQ, all standard features that enhance your running experience. With 7 hours of playback time from just the buds and up to 24 hours with the rechargeable case, the Elite 4 Active ensures you have enough juice for those long runs. What sets these earbuds apart is their seamless connectivity to devices like my Garmin Forerunner 965, making them a reliable companion every time I lace up. Their secure fit seals your ears, but if you need to stay aware of your surroundings, you can use them independently. The Vista 2 model also boasts an impressive 8 hours of battery life, ideal for marathon training. Overall, the Elite 4 Active are a great choice for dedicated runners seeking quality sound and functionality at an affordable price point.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.